यहाँ 7 महीने से बैठे हैं वो बिना बात के लिए नहीं बैठे हैं।
Same protest, same protesters, same demands, different venue.
आए तो कम से कम यहाँ तक भाई कैद हो गए आए, लेकिन आए तो पार्लियामेंट के नजदीक तक तो आए।
Farm agitation now at Jantar Mantar. Will the farm protest now be a thorn in the government's flesh till general elections 2024? Top focus on To The Point this evening. Warm welcome. You're watching To The Point. I'm Preeti Chaudhary. So, what really happened is that as the monsoon is in session, the farmers have now decided to come and camp out at Jantar Mantar, hold a parallel Sansad is what they call it. First, the Delhi police burnt clearly by what had happened on 26 January, said absolutely not, but then relented. So now a staggered protest of 200 farmers every day till the monsoon session will be allowed to sit in their Sansad at Jantar Mantar. On the other front, the opposition today rallied with the farmers inside Parliament. So outside Parliament, 2 kilometers away, the farmers sit. Inside, the opposition has found its voice. In all of this, with a festering feud between the government and the farmers, the latest bomb was dropped with the word Mawali.
कैबिनेट ने फैसला लिया कि चावल, गेहूं, ज्वार, बाजरा ये महंगाई बढ़ा रहे हैं।
Farmers versus Government of India. The festering feud hit a new low.
मेरे हिसाब से ये waste of energy है।
With MOS Information Broadcasting Meenakshi Lekhi using the Mawali word. The minister was responding to a question on the protesting farmers. The minister first, when asked on the protesting farmers at Jantar Mantar, said they aren't farmers.
बहुत सीरियस है। पहली बात तो आप उन लोगों को किसान कहना बंद कीजिए, क्योंकि वो किसान नहीं है। वही षड्यंत्रकारी लोगों के हथे चढ़े हुए कुछ लोग हैं। किसान के पास समय नहीं है जंतर मंतर आके बैठने का, वो अपने खेत में काम कर रहा है।
Later, when pressed, Miss Lekhi said they were not farmers but Mawalis, that they were ruffians.
फिर किसान आप उन लोगों को बोल रहे हैं मवाली है।
Meenakshi Lekhi has now clarified that she meant to call those writing on 26 January as Mawalis and not the farmers protesting at Jantar Mantar. The farmers now protesting at Jantar Mantar were quick to react.
ऐसा बयान देना देश के 80 करोड़ अन्नदाताओं का अपमान है, जो 8 महीने से बैठे हैं। 600 किसान शहादत दे चुके हैं और सुबह से लेखी जी भोजन करके आती हमारा पैदा किया हुआ। अगर वो वाकई में हम मवाली हैं तो भोजन करना छोड़ दें।
The farm movement, now a chronic sore for the government of India.
बिल के किस प्रावधान पर उनको आपत्ति है, अगर वो आपत्ति बताएंगे तो आज भी सरकार खुले मन से उनके साथ चर्चा करने को तैयार।
मेंबर पार्लियामेंट किसान की आवाज नहीं उठाएगा, वो किसी भी पार्टी का होगा, उसका विरोध होगा, उसके क्षेत्र में विरोध होगा उसका।
The protest remains the same. The demands remain the same. The government reactions remain the same.
मंडियों को और मजबूत किया जाएगा।
What has changed is the venue of protest. From Delhi borders, now it's Jantar Mantar. Permission has finally been granted to protesting farmers to hold what they call a parallel Sansad to what is going on inside the Sansad. And that is not much different. The opposition echoing in Parliament the cry raised by the farmers at Delhi borders and now at Jantar Mantar.
ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग हुई थी, तब भी इनका ये एजेंडा था और सरकार ने कहा था कि हम चर्चा के लिए तैयार हैं। अगर उन्होंने कोई शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन डिस्कशन दिया है तो बीएससी में हम भी रहेंगे, वो भी रहेंगे और स्पीकर साहब जैसा निर्णय करेंगे हम चर्चा के लिए तैयार हैं।
सड़क में जो किसान आ गए, कब से इन लोग बॉर्डर में, आपने देखा है कि बच्चे बूढ़े सब एक साथ बॉर्डर्स पे थे। ये सर्दी में कुछ नहीं सुना और अब जो है अब ये दिल्ली के सड़कों में आ गए हैं, तो आई थिंक इट इज हाई टाइम दैट वी रिपील दिस.
Farmers had given a Gherao Parliament call, which was rejected by the Delhi police. However, permission has now been given to no more than 200 farmers to hold a protest at Jantar Mantar, which the farmers call a Kisan Sansad. The Delhi police burnt from the 26 January carnage made sure only the ones with valid identity were allowed post a proper inspection. The protest can only happen on weekdays through the monsoon session for 6 hours daily, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Along with the Delhi police, 5 companies of paramilitary forces have been stationed at Jantar Mantar, and the area is now under CCTV surveillance.
बीजेपी सरकार मुर्दाबाद, बीजेपी सरकार मुर्दाबाद.
The farmers' movement is nearly in its 25th day. 11 talks with the government have failed. This never-ending cycle of the farm agitation is now threatening to impact elections, with the farmers planning to embark on a punish BJP campaign. The impact could be felt on the Uttar Pradesh elections in 6 months' time. Now, with zero hope of a breakthrough, will the farm protest be that thorn lodged in the flesh of this government till election 2024? Bureau Report, India Today. Let's cut across to our panelists this evening. I have Shupriya Shrinate, Congress spokesperson, Shine INC, BJP spokesperson, Brijesh Bhatti, farm leader. Ms. NC, I want to begin with you. What did the MOS the MOS minister for Information and Broadcasting mean when she said that ye farmers nahi, ye to mawali hain?
I think rather than getting into the concept, let's go into the terminology of events. The Prime Minister has released the 8th installment of financial benefits. The beneficiary farmers under the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme. The Prime Minister has also interacted with farmer beneficiaries not just once, but on 9 to 10 occasions. Now, if you look at paddy procurement at MSP, we have set a new record, be it paddy procurement, wheat procurement, and in this particular scenario, 58,000 crores of wheat procurement has already reached the farmers directly into their accounts. The Prime Minister has, stressed that this COVID pandemic, the Kisan credit card deadline has been extended and installments are now being renewed till June 30th. More than 2 crore Kisan credit cards have been issued in recent times. The government has also announced 140% increase in subsidy.
All of this, I'll ask the question which I asked you in the beginning. Does the government, I'll quote unquote with what Meenakshi Lekhi said, that those who are sitting right now in Jantar Mantar are not farmers, real farmers are actually plowing their fields. That was her reaction number 1. Reaction number 2, ye kisan nahi, these are not farmers, they are mawali hain, ye ruffians hain. So, what does the government mean when a sitting MOS says something in this capacity?
Look, the fact is that we have worked on all agendas, be it fertilizers, be it ensuring that their crops are secure, and be it what the government wants to do vis-a-vis an additional 9,125 crores.
Ms. NC, does the government believe the farmers that are protesting at Jantar Mantar today are farmers, or are they ruffians, mawalis?
If there is a politically agitated campaign, when there is a proactive step being taken on one side by government and government agencies, and on the other hand, you have a certain section which is not taking cognizance of the pandemic, I think it is in that reference to context. I don't know what she has said and why she has said, but I am very, very sure that our government is only interested in working towards ensuring that the highest wheat procurement in Punjab's history, for example, has happened during our time. The
Supriya
government
Shrinate,
has provided metric tons.
This is all politically instigated. That was what was also said. Ma'am, can I just go to Ms. Shrinate? That this is all politically instigated and it is the doing of an opposition where you have supported certain individuals and those are the ones squatting today in Jantar Mantar.
I'm actually quite aghast from Khalistani and Naxalwadi Pak China agents to now being called Mawali, which essentially means hooligans. I have only one question to ask of the BJP spokesperson. Do you support what Meenakshi Lekhi has said? Do you also believe farmers are nothing but Mawalis? Or will you put your hand on your heart and say she was wrong to say that? Let her answer this question. Was she right in calling them Mawalis or was she wrong? Procurement, paddy prices, PM Kisan, let's discuss that in a while. Was she right or was she wrong is the only answer I need to know from you.
All right, before
Meenakshi Lekhi ने सही कहा या गलत कहा, इस बात का हाँ या ना में जवाब दीजिए.
I also want to put all the facts
That's
there.
all that I want to know.
Yeah, Ms. Shrinate, I also want to put in the facts there before I go back to Shaina NC, because Ms. Lekhi has clarified. She said I called those who were writing on 26 January Mawalis.
No. Preeti, I had heard her entire statement before I came on the show. In a previous statement, she calls them Shadyantrikari. Then she calls them Mawali. वो उनको किसान मत कहो, वो मवाली है. This kind of arrogance is not going to be acceptable. It is not acceptable by the farmers. It's not acceptable by the Indian opposition, or for that matter, any Indian. I just want her to answer one question. Was Meenakshi Lekhi right in saying they are hooligans? Or was she wrong? Yes or no? That's all that I want to know before I proceed in the debate. वो गलत थी या वो सही थी? आप उनका साथ देती हैं या उनका विरोध करती हैं? Answer that very simple question, Shaina, before we move any forward.
Ms. NC, would you want to come in and respond to that?
Preeti, I think you're the anchor of this program and I'm not bound to answer a panelist question. You are running the debate and you have answered the question in the clipping that you have played yourself. Look, if farmer protests turn into a crime hotspot sometimes, if there are criminal incidents that are being responded from a
Preeti, can I please come in now?
Let her finish, madam, let her finish. She gave, no. Mr. Shrinate, let her finish. Yeah.
The farmer protests have to be contained, especially in view of the pandemic. Now, anti-farm law protesters, whether a fellow was murdered on the Tikri border, is this not all serious? So if we want to have a propaganda which is instigated by people, then we can be debating forever and ever. Let's debate on what has actually reached the farmers and if they are happy with the kind of work that the government is doing vis-a-vis their empowerment, rather than just talking about...
Ms. Shrinate, yes, Ms. Shrinate, now make your point, then I'll go to Mr. Bhati. Ms. Shrinate, make your point.
I have only something very brief to say. I know they will not respond because this is how all of them in the BJP believe. They believe every farmer is a Khalistani, is a Naxalwadi, is a Mawali. That is how they call farmers. This is the basic respect they have for India's largest farming community. Having said that, I have only one more point to add. The farmers have been sitting on protest for the last 8 months. 600 farmers have died. There has been no meeting between the government and the farmers since January 2021. The onus of meeting the farmer lies on the government of India. If the government of India is not going to call them for a meeting, they cannot do a meeting. They cannot barge into the PMO or for that matter Shastri Bhavan. I have only one more point to add. If you really respect the farmer, listen to their voices. They are against these laws, repeal them.
Government
if you
says
will not
no.
repeal
I
them,
want to bring in Mr. Bhati right now.
You don't care about the farmers.
Okay,
you don't care about 6 farmers being dead.
I want to bring in Mr. Bhati, Brajesh Bhati, but the government has said that these are conditional talks. We are not repealing the laws. They are on hold in any case. But having said that, Brajesh Bhati ji, आप ये जो पैरेलल संसद चला रहे हैं, किसान संसद चला रहे हैं, इसका मुद्दा क्या है? क्योंकि सरकार तो अभी आपकी बात सुनेगी नहीं. उन्होंने तो साफ बोल दिया कि 3 कानून नहीं लेंगे वापस.
प्रीति जी, हमारा संसद चलाने का मुख्य उद्देश्य ये है कि ये जो हमने नेता चुन के संसद में भेजे थे, ये तो हमारी बात सुन नहीं रहे. पक्ष के हो या विपक्ष के हो, हमने इसलिए अपनी संसद बनाई है. और जब तक ये सत्र चलेगा, मानसून सत्र चलेगा, हमारे 40 जत्थेबंदियों के डेली 5-5 मेंबर और 200 आदमी डेली यहाँ पर जाकर प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे. और जिस तरह संसद चलती है, जिस तरह उनका अध्यक्ष होता है, सभापति होता है, उसी तरह से हम संसद चलाएंगे. और हम मांग करेंगे, हम पक्ष के साथ उन विपक्ष के सांसदों से भी मांग करेंगे कि भाई हमारी मांगों को आप उठाएं और इन 3 काले कानूनों को सरकार वापस ले और इन पर एमएसपी पे कानून बने. और मैं जैसे सुन रहा था, हम तो किसान हैं, ज्यादा पढ़े लिखे नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी हम समझ लेते हैं कुछ चीजों को कि प्रीति जी, जिस तरह से आज मीनाक्षी लेखी जी ने हमारे लिए बयान दिया है, इससे ये मानसिकता झलकती है कि ये ना तो कोई वकील है, ना ही ये मंत्री बनने के लायक हैं. जो देश के अन्नदाता जो रोटी खिलाता है, अगर तुम उसको मवाली कह रहे हो तो फिर तुम अन्न नहीं खाते, तुम कुछ और खाते होगे, मैं अपने मुंह से नहीं कह सकता।
भाटी साहब नहीं, लेखी जी ने बोला है, नहीं भाटी साहब, लेखी जी कह रही हैं कि देखिए मैंने मवाली बोला था, जिन लोगों ने अराजकता का रूट लिया था 26 जनवरी को, उनको मवाली कहा है।
तो वो तो इन्हीं के तो लोग थे प्रीति जी। वो सी सिंधु कौन था? वो बीजेपी का सदस्य था। वो लाल किले पर झंडे का अपमान करने वाला बीजेपी का व्यक्ति था। उसको
देखिए
जो
वो तो
रास्ता देने वाले बीजेपी के नेता थे, पुलिस थी।
भाटी जी ये देखिए, भाटी जी ये तो हम कुछ भी कह सकते हैं, पर चलिए आपने अपना स्तर रखा। एक बार मैं शाइना एनसी के पास जाना चाहूंगी जी। मिस एनसी, मेक योर पॉइंट, आई विल कम टू यू मिस्टर नील।
आई जस्ट वांट टू से, मैं आपसे विनती करूंगी कि ये कोविड का समय है। आप सब जानते हो कि आपका मुद्दा प्रधानमंत्री ने स्वयं 8 नहीं 9-10 बार बहुत ना सिर्फ बयान दिया है, अलग अलग संगठन से मिले भी हैं, लेकिन ये समझना जरूरी है आज कि इन अ पैंडेमिक वेयर वी हैव दिस फाइट कलेक्टिवली अगेंस्ट कोविड, दे आर नॉट डिस्टिंग्विशिंग अगेंस्ट हु आर फार्मर्स एंड हु आर कॉमन सिटीजन. Please understand the gravity of the situation, and if you feel that the families of all those who are partaking and having their kin participate in this kind of protest, that sends a correct message.
Okay.
I think we need to rethink and relook.
But you know, Miss NC, no, you know, I'll come here, come in there. The Delhi police has given them, they've given them permission. 200 of them can protest, which is what's happening.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, but
200 लोगों की परमिशन है और रोजाना उनसे
Okay. Mr. Nate, you want to come in? Come in.
कहूंगी, मैं आपको पूछना चाहती हूँ पैडी प्रोक्योरमेंट MSP के मुताबिक,
okay, Shaina,
wheat procurement,
can you?
MSP,
अरे यार, पैडी
That's something which they don't want to talk about. Shaina, and see, the fact is that is something they don't want to talk about because they say they want to stick to the 3 farm laws. Whether the government agrees or not agrees, that's the government's prerogative. Yes. Okay, Miss Sinead, go ahead.
I want to put on record, Preeti, I want to put on record for your viewers 2 important facts. The Prime Minister on the 22nd of January in Parliament said, मैं एक फोन कॉल दूर हूं, उसके बाद हरियाणा के 18 जिलों का इंटरनेट काट दिया था, और आज भी किसान आपके उस एक फोन कॉल का इंतजार कर रहा है। जनवरी के बाद से जुलाई तक अभी एक भी मीटिंग नहीं हुई है, मीटिंग मान्यवर आपको बुलानी है। कोरोना किसानों के लिए ही है। जब आप चुनाव लड़ने बंगाल गए थे, जब उत्तर प्रदेश के लोक पंचायत चुनाव हो रहे थे जहां पर औरतों का चीरहरण हो रहा था, वहां पर कोरोना नहीं था। सो कोरोना इज आल्सो वेरी प्रैक्टिकली यूज्ड ओनली अगेंस्ट पीपल who raise their voice against this government. And the third important point that I want to raise for your viewers and want to think about it is, ये हर जगह जाकर बोलते हैं किसानों को किसान सम्मान निधि मिल रही है। किसानी का पैसा आपने 15,000 रुपए प्रति हेक्टेयर बढ़ा दिया है, because you have increased fertilizer, GST rates, diesel, all of that. This is all anti-farmer. The high prices are anti-farmer. So please talk about those things as well.
चलिए भाटी साहब 10 सेकंड जल्दी बोलिए, फिर शाइना एनसी से बात करके खत्म करते हैं।
मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, जैसा कि मेरी बड़ी बहन कह रही थी अभी श्रीनेत जी, कि भाई ये हमसे फोन कॉल की दूरी पर बात कर रहे हैं, ये 10 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर चारों तरफ किसान बैठा हुआ। ये गुजरात तो किसान से मिलने जाते हैं, लेकिन दिल्ली की सीमा पर
शाइना एनसी 10 seconds and I want to wrap up the debate.
800 किसान शहीद हुए हैं इसमें। इन्होंने एक किसी मंत्री
जी भाटी साहब बस शाइना एनसी प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड एंड आई विल रैप अप द
पूछना चाहती हूँ, क्या प्रधानमंत्री किसान सम्मान निधि स्कीम से आपको फायदा हुआ है या नहीं? Have 58,000 crores
Okay, that's not okay. The fact is, okay.
Credit card deadline has...
All right, ladies, I need to bow out of this debate, and thank you, Bharti ji, for joining us as well. It's something that is going to be debated in the days to come, or actually, it's already in its 250th day, the farm agitation. The government's not biting. What now? Will it have ramifications, or will it upend in terms of the elections that are coming in, the political landscape of India? We don't quite know. But it is going to be a thorn in the government's flesh till 2024. A quick break. Up next is Rahul Kamal.